Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's log out of Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. Now, if you have an iPhone and you'd prefer to log out of your Messenger account, maybe because you don't want anyone else to access it, or you just want to not be bothered basically by Facebook Messenger, you can always log out. I'll show you how to do it. Let's hop into Messenger here, and we'll tap on the three lines at the top left. Now let's tap on the gear icon at the top right, and you'll see if you go through this entire list, there is no logout button. For whatever reason, Facebook Messenger just does not allow that, but there is a way to log out. So let's scroll down and we'll go to the very bottom and tap on Account Center here. And now this will pull up your Account Center. Let's tap on Password and Security midway down. And now all you have to do is to log yourself out. You can see it towards the bottom. There's where you're logged in. Tap on that and tap on the Facebook at the top. This will show every single device or account that you're logged into, and all you have to do is hit select all and log out. By going through this process, it will log you out of your Facebook Messenger account on your iPhone. You can see I'm logged out. Now if I wanted to log back in, I'll have to tap on my name and enter that password back in to be able to log into that specific account. Now if you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.